Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I want to share a quick unboxing of Queen & Company's brand new Make Me Up shaped shaker kit. There's an information sheet included that has 3 different cards for inspiration. Aren't those so much fun? So first let me show you the dies that are included. There are 4 different images for this kit. So there's the little compact, and then there's the mascara. So there's 3 different pieces for the mascara. It's got the base, the top, and then also the little mascara brush. And then I love this one, a little nail polish. So there's the bottle, and then there's the top. And then the last one is a lipstick. So there's the base, and then kind of the little rim, and then the lipstick color. So those are the 4 images that are included in the kit. And then there are coordinating foam and acetate pieces. So here's the foam. And if you've never used Queen & Company's shaker kits before, they are so easy to use. You just pop the insides out of the foam, and then the foam has paper backing on both sides, and it is self-adhesive. So this kit will include 3 of each of the images. And I love how the compact has the double shaker. And then you'll have the matching acetate. These are all pre-cut, so you don't have to try to fussy cut that acetate out. And the final item is the stamp set. Queen & Company has great sentiment stamp sets for all of their kits, and this one is no exception. There's You Sparkle, Hello Gorgeous, You Add Polish to My Life. And I think my favorite is Every Girl Deserves a Man Who Will Ruin Her Lipstick and Not Her Mascara. And I do have a still shot at the end of the video if you want to read the rest of the sentiments. Now, as an add-on, you can also purchase the outline dies. I love having these for all of Queen & Company's kits. So let me show you the difference. So the one on the left is the die that's included in the kit, and that will cut out the frame. The one on the right is the outline die, and that will cut that whole background piece that'll go behind the shaker. You can also use the outline dies to cut more acetate. And then another add-on is you can purchase more of the foam and acetate refills. This kit does not include any paper or shaker toppings, so those do need to be purchased separately. So here's just another look at everything that's included in Queen & Company's Make Me Up shaped shaker kit. I have provided links in the description box for the kit as well as the add-ons. And stay tuned to my channel, and I will be sharing cards that I make using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.